Hey guys, so let's find out what are the energies of your person this morning. What's going on? Let's begin. Okay, so what are the current energies of your person overall, okay, in general? They're trying to balance between something, maybe certain decisions. It could be about you, it could be about their finances, it could be a decision at work that they are struggling with, trying to strike a balance somewhere. Yeah, I think this is something to do with money. Maybe there are certain financial issues that they are dealing with, or they're trying to hold on to something at work, being a little closed off because it's like something is slipping out of their hands and they want to keep it. Something to do with their stability is what's going on with them in their energy today. All right, what are their energies towards you? What are my viewers' person's energies towards my viewers? Eight of Cups. We have been seeing this walking away for last few days. Queen of Cups and one more card. Eight of Swords. All right. So they're in this energy where they are not sure if you have moved on or not, or if they should walk away from this or not, because there is a lot of emotions that they feel towards you, but they feel stuck in a situation. There's a decision that they need to make about this relationship with this Lovers card here, but then they are unable to, because they feel irrespective of what they do, they are going to lose something. So there I do see a lot of emotions with this Queen of Cups, where they want to have your presence in their life. They are feeling emotional about something, probably thinking about the past as well. I don't think this person has slept well last night. Yeah, they want to, their energy is that of, communicating with you. Maybe if it's just a small little text which brings in some sort of fresh loving energy between the two of you. They want a union, they want to come together, they want to gaze into your eyes, and maybe you went out to different places, had some good time, some eateries, coffee shops, and they're looking at those past memories, and they want that time to come together, come back. They want a new beginning, they want to offer you some sort of stability. Ace of Pentacles is about security, stability, which they probably have not given you. That is their energies towards you. Let's find out what are my viewers' person seeing my viewers as at this point. Ace of Pentacles. You are the stability, the security that they want in life. You are somebody, also I think some of you or a lot of you are very focused right now on your work, on building yourself financially. So they are seeing you as somebody who is so focused in life in terms of their career, but they also see you as somebody who can bring them stability. And this is not in terms of finances specifically. This can be the emotional stability that they want, the love that they want, the new beginning that they want in their life. What else do we have? Strength. All right. So they are looking at you as somebody who has a really strong willpower. Maybe because you are holding back, or maybe you're hanging in there, and you're showing such a calm energy where you have been so compassionate, so patient in this situation, irrespective of how this was dealt with or what you went through. Somebody who has a lot of courage, and I think this is something that inspires them. They see you as somebody who has the guts to do things, who is not someone who will back out just because something is difficult or something is becoming you don't take an escape route, is how they see you. You are something that they desire, their wish fulfillment. You are somebody who they want to lead their life with, somebody who they want to, you know, grow with. You bring them so much happiness. Also, somewhere I think a lot of them are seeing you as someone who is like very lucky for them. Like when you came in their life, things changed drastically for them. And you bring abundance in all forms, not just emotional, but I feel also financial. You have been somebody who has given them perspective of life in so many ways that they were able to bring this in their life, this Nine of Cups in their life. All right, let's see what are their feelings for you this morning. What are your person's feelings towards you? What are my viewers' person's feelings towards them today morning? This is a timeless reading, sorry. Whenever you're watching, it will resonate with you. Also, this is a collective reading, so it might not resonate with everyone, but there still could be some message for you. Eight of Pentacles. So this person is trying to distract themselves heavily. Also, I feel like they're manifesting you because of this candle here, the skull, like, you know, she's doing some sort of energy work other than focusing on her own work, I think. So they're trying to focus so much on their work and so much on building themselves in their career that so that they can be distracted. They are, so I would say the feeling is that, you know, they are really missing you, constantly thinking about you, but then it is overwhelming for them. And that is the reason that they are trying to get themselves so involved in work that they can stop focusing on your thoughts constantly. What else do we have? Hierophant. They see you as their counterpart. They see you as somebody who they can be with in the long term. Hierophant is a card that often comes about when we talk about weddings, commitments. So this person is seeing you as somebody who completes them, who is somebody they want to build a future with. They want to probably get into a committed relationship with, maybe marriage for a lot of you. Okay, what else do we have here? Magician. They're constantly manifesting you. There is absolutely no doubt I have with these objects she has here and the Magician here. There is a possibility of this person manipulating you in some way in the future whenever they talk to you. So you will have to be wise in, you know, letting them back into your life, because they want you in your life, that I can see. But there is also some sort of manipulation, but they are manifesting you. They want this sort of union, commitment, some sort of relationship which can be there long term. All right, let's find out what actions are they planning to take towards you today morning. What is going on in their mind about their action space? Hanged Man. So feeling stuck. Also looking at things from a different perspective, maybe. Some sort of enlightenment happening, maybe with this, you know, you see this halo around the head. So some new ideas popping up while they are in this stagnant position. So, and this idea could be something to do with reconciliation. They are thinking about, again, I feel like with this also, they're constantly thinking about the past memories, and they're feeling very stuck in their action space. They're not able to move forward, but at the same time, they're looking at things with different perspective. Maybe they're trying to understand your point of view right now, why you want certain thing to be done a certain way, or why you are not willing to settle for what they have to offer right now. What else do we have in their action space? They're being very secretive. They're being very quiet about things. They don't want to reveal anything right now. Okay, so they want to keep doing things in the background, I think, because they don't think it's the best time to open up to you or to the world at this time. What is other thing? King of Wands. Okay, so they do want to be this person who wants to offer you this passion, who wants to lead, who wants to take charge, who wants to make you feel loved. And you know, there's so much red here, which brings me to the thought of, you know, our Muladhara chakra is also red in color. So they want to give you that security and stability. And with this yellow, I feel the confidence, the trust that they want to, build in this relationship. They definitely want to come forward with this Knight of Cups in the background. They want to make some sort of offer. They left you abandoned. They've made you feel like, you know, you never belonged. There's no sense of belongingness here. They want to end that and have a new start in this relationship. They want these flowers to bloom. They want to become this King of Pentacles, where they can offer you the stability and make that make you feel like you belong, which you have been. That is the feeling that is lacking here. All right, let's find out what would they want to tell you if they could. What does my viewers person want to tell them if they could? I love you. Okay, so this person definitely wants to tell you that, you know, the bond you share is eternal. It's beyond space and time. It's like, you know, they can close their eyes and they can feel you. Your energy is all around them. They want you to know that this feeling is real. It's not an illusion. You're not being delusional. They want to reach out to you and tell you how they feel about this emotion. But at the same time, they are lacking the courage to do that. You don't compare to anything at all, is what they would like. They might want to surprise you. So what I feel here is that there's a possibility some of you might get a surprise call or a text or something from your person, because they are working behind the scenes. They don't want to reveal anything right now, but they want to give you a surprise. They want to do it very soon, but it's like they want to gift this to you in some way. So it's not something that they want to, maybe you're feeling that, you know, this person is so disconnected, but there is some sort of surprise communication coming up, is what I feel. Okay, let's try and see when could you possibly get the surprise communication from your person. When can my viewers get the surprise communication from their person? All right, so the card we have is Page of Pentacles. Now this is the card that came out, Three of Swords. So this is what you're going through, the heartbreak, and can you see the way the tears are shedding here? But this is something that they are also doing. They are also in a lot of pain. I feel like they might communicate with you in about 11 days to 11 weeks here, but they are constantly manifesting you. So that was the reading for today. Thank you.